That will do it.
We're gonna give this a second go. We're gonna try it again. And was this video the one where I explained how Daimyo worked?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have to re-explain that. Hello everybody, my name is Quakin, and today we're going to be doing a battle between not Nightmare Longinus, that's a superior Beyblade, but we're going to be doing Rage Longinus, Destroy Dash 3A, and Daimyo Samuraizor. Look at this boy. Look at him. He's adorable. Extreme Ultra. And so, I don't know if I explained the gimmick very well, but this, the Daimyo Samuraizor doesn't have teeth, except for right here. Those are his only teeth. All the way down here, there's no teeth. It just slides. And you might be wondering, well, how can Daimyo dish out such intense attacks and not burst itself? Well, that's because if you don't burst it when the hit happens, it completely resets. And it's the disc is pushed back to its starting position by springs inside the layer. Not only does this mean that my Beyblade is really hard to burst, it also means that every single point on this layer is spring-loaded. You hit here, spring-loaded. Hit here, spring-loaded. Hit here, very spring-loaded. And Daimyo also sports disc integration, kind of like Nightmare Longinus. So there's no disc. It's just Daimyo Samuraizor Extreme Ultra. There is no in between. It's very, like, all the mechanisms inside are very compact and very well made, if you ask me. But yeah, so we're gonna be doing a battle, and I can't wait to destroy Nightmare all over again. Where's my left spin launcher?
Nightmare.
Rage.
I get it. Destroy dash, destroy. I get it.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate that. It's in my pocket. That's okay. Why did I put it there?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm also joined by my sexy co-host DKizzle of the YouTube channel DKizzle, owner of Dragon Caesar, the greatest dragon Beyblade of all time ever. And then Insta, who's ugly and I hate him and unsubscribe to him.
Wow.
Wow.
Disrespect.
All right, first one to 15. Yeah. Yes! Oh no! I've been had. That's 1-0. Rage is to string. Why are you still in my stadium? 1-1. Oh! Yeah! 2-1.
Yeah.
Great, now I'm throwing my launcher and stuff. Prepare!
Oh dear God.
I know, I'm fucking murdering him out here. How now? 2-2. Oh! Okay, well that was something. Oh boy. Ah, draw.
Draw ledge.
Draw ledge.
Draw ledge.
Oh! Okay, give me some spin, baby. How would we call that?
Daimyo.
Yeah?
Daimyo.
DK, second opinion?
Daimyo, yeah.
Yeah, okay. So that makes it 3-2. Oh!
Wow.
Would Daimyo have gotten that? I think he was in there longer.
I think Daimyo actually was in there longer.
Daimyo definitely got that. That's 42.
Yeah.
Does Longinus
Have the 42.
have the fortitude?
No, it's not.
Oh! It did! For 3.
No!
42. It doesn't have the 43.
Oh, it does not. It really did not have the 4-3 that time. It's 5-3. Does Longinus have the 5-3 to come back from this immense lead? Oh no! Oh no! It did. Wait! Oh, that's a heartbreaker. 5-4?
Dang.
5-4.
No.
7-4.
That will do it.
This Longinus has a 7 to 4. You know what? I'm done. I'm done. It's over. I'm sick of it. Oh! Is that all you've got? I'm still going. I think that was a tie. I think that's 8 to 4. I had no spin for the second half of those hits.
Yeah.
I think it's 8 to 4. Can I get a second opinion?
I agree. 8 to 4.
Oh,
Link, I just want you to know, you sound
8 to
like
4.
you were like, what's it called? Like a teapot eating up?
just the fact that even after all of that, Samuraizor's like, I'm still here, dude. You're gonna have to try a little harder than
I'm
that.
still here.
Is DK still here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's out here. Okay.
You got it.
Oh! That's a bit of a mislaunch, but I'll take the L anyways. That's 8 to 5.
Wow.
Wah! Daimyo! Wow, I've never seen that before. Oh! Oh, please! 8 to 6.
No.
Oh! Oh! You are nothing. You are nothing compared to the superior power of Daimyo Samuraizor. No! How?
I get it, like the nothing driver. Oh, never mind.
Oh, dang it.
I hate you.
I know.
8 to 6?
7.
8 to 7.
That
Wow, close the gap. Forgive me if I'm unimpressed. I'm literally just like half-assing it right now. I don't care.
Very not better than expected.
You're gonna have to do a little better than that. That's
Yeah.
11.
it was not better than expected.
It's 11 right now. Okay.
Yeah.
12 to 7? 12 to 7?
7, yeah.
Ah!
12 to 7.
Ah! Oh, no. I jumped out last second. 12 to 8.
Is Daimyo scared of
Yeah! Oh no! 12 to 9. He got me.
Oh no. No.
Ah! Uh-oh. Hey. More spin. Yes! Oh my god!
Wow.
Wow.
I just took so much from it. Oh, okay. That's 13 to 9.
Conclusion, Reed sucks. We confirmed it.
Oh, are you done? The power is not impressive.
Not better than
That's expected.
That's 14, baby. 14
Yep,
to 9.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh! Even my tip popped out for that one. I still won. Yes!
So in conclusion, Daimyo Samuraizor has power.
I don't even want to call it power, you know? We have power, alright? That's good. That's pretty good. We got power. That's really good. That's I have power! That's what I got.
So just power but more aggressively?
No, it's like ascended power.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
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 Like you have to ball, you know? But loud.
Yeah.
Like a Super Saiyan 2.
Not 3, just 2.
Not
No.
a 3, just yeah.
No,
2.
no one likes 3 anyway. It's stupid and
Nobody likes 3. Big forehead, no eyebrows. Nobody likes that.
Look,
Yeah.
I didn't watch Dragon Ball and I know that it's useless. It's like going Jake Paul.
Exactly.
Wow. Okay. What the fuck? Why are you laughing like that? All right. Thanks everybody for watching. Subscribe check out Model Bladers. It's in the description. If you don't know what Model Bladers is, it's basically a place where people design, model, and print custom Beyblades. It's really cool. If you don't have any modeling experience, it's not a big deal. You can still join and talk about cool ideas and everything. Yeah, it's a great place. It's in the description. And also, while you're here, subscribe to DKizzle. His channel link will be in the description. I'm not linking Insta because fuck him. Bye, guys!